Hi guys, today we will show you the unboxing of Alcatel Pixi 4, the bundle edition. Like you will see, there is more feature in this version and is get brighter. More, and there is much of the Google application. We will see here the technical specification. 5 display, rear camera 8 megapixel, LED flash, front camera 8 megapixel with front flash. Audio enhancement by Archimedes. 3G plus quad-core CPU, Android 6 Marshmallow, and dual SIM, dual standby. Is very hopeful, dude. Look at this, man. Now let's unbox it. This is a much big. Wow, dudes. There is, we can see plastic screen protector, not glass. And this is the phone. This is the phone, like you can see. And here find the warranty, the battery. Oh my god, there is more of the cache. Green, blue, red salmon. Oh my god, this is very good. Now, this is the USB cable. This you can use to connect to an PC or charge your phone. This is the headset. It's very sweet. And this is a source adapter. Now, let's take a look of the phone. Oh, duck. Let's insert the battery and oh my gosh. Oh, it's very dirty, dude. We must send this case to another color because the white is very dirty. The name of the god, and put the battery here. Take care. And remove this. Good, it's working. Like you see, the Pixi 4 logo is coming here after the boot. Alcatel. It's a good brand, but not so more. There is some good brand like Samsung, Apple, more and more. Android is starting. Let's set it in friend or whatever. No, I never have a SD card. Skip anyway. Next. Let's set this or whatever, we can sell it later. Okay, you can protect your phone here, but you can use a pattern, pin or password, but I never think I want to protect my device because I never want to make my device security. I have also something more better than this protector, like a fingerprint, but this phone never have a fingerprint. Oh look, you like Google services. Next, finish, and here we go. The setup is completed. If you like it's Android Marshmallow, it's a good version. And we find it, we finish, like you see. So I hope you guys enjoyed this moment of the unboxing of this Alcatel Pixi 4. Good luck guys, and have more video. Subscribe, share, and press like.